So a big portion of the Engineering 131 curriculum revolves around Microsoft Excel, which I'm sure many, if not all of you, have heard about and are very familiar with. So why would you need to learn it? Well, I thought the same thing as a freshman. I thought I knew everything about Excel, but throughout the freshman experience, you're going to learn a lot of new things, which I won't spoil for you, with the program that are going to help you in your job after your college career. For example, one of the things that I had to do yesterday, I was pulled into a meeting that I had no idea that I was going to be a part of, to explain an experiment and the data that I retrieved from it. And there were about 4 or 5 other engineers there, and I had to, on the spot, take the data, make some graphs that were presentable to the engineers, and tell them exactly what happened in the experiment that took weeks, yet I had 5 minutes to tell them what happened. So a lot of what I learned from engineering was just how to do all of that in a timely fashion, and even if you don't need it for engineering, it's just an awesome tool in general, just to know how to use in your daily life, for even if you're just budgeting for home or whatever you need it for.